I am thinking tea today, so consider 3 liters of milk, and we are going to find out how many liters x unknown x liters of 50% tea solution to be added to 3 liters of milk, 3 liters, to get a 20% solution. That would be 3 liters, this 3, and this x liters that's added. Yeah, so we do some linear equations algebra. 0.6 plus 0.2x, that's what this becomes. And then some math here and there. Take this, subtract from this, goes to the other side. 2.4, 3 minus 0.6, which is equal to something seems wrong. Yeah, let me see. 20% of 3 plus x solution. 0.6, 2.4, 0.2. This looks weird. 0.3x. Something seems amiss, and let us figure it out. So see that there's 3 liters of milk, and we are adding 50% of x liters. So the new solution is 3 plus x liters, right? And the solution needs to get diluted. So let's assume it's 0.2, the amount of T in this. That's what we're equating, right? But this doesn't make sense. I'm getting a negative value for the amount of liters that needs to be added. 0.3 minus 0.24. Why is this happening? So say that the solution was 0.8 of milk and tea, be 2.4 plus 0.8x. This actually makes sense. So we have a final solution of 0.6 is equal to 0.3x. X is equal to 2 liters. Now this actually doesn't make sense in my mind. A 50% tea solution gives a 0.8 of milk and tea. No, something is wrong. Something doesn't make sense. Let me try to figure this out. So we have 3 liters here and a 50% solution of X. And how can an 80% solution happen from I think what this means is this equation assumes that this is 3 liters of tea and not milk. So this assumes that this is 100% of tea. So the correct framing of the question that I made would be there's 3 liters of tea, and we are adding a 50% solution of tea, x liters, or maybe 50% milk, yeah, already with water, etc., etc. And the resulting solution is 80% tea and milk and tea solution. So 80% solution of milk and tea. This, open the brackets, 2.4, 0.8x, do the maneuvering of linear algebra, etc., etc., and x is equal to 2. So let's leave that at that. But let's try to frame a question where we have, say, 3 liters of 0% tea. Let me see how that can work. So say 3 liters of 0% tea to 0.5%. To dilute the solution. So we have 0.5%, as in 50%, 0.5 of x, 50% solution, and we are adding something to dilute this to make it a 20% solution of x plus wondering how that will work, how dilution works. So let's figure this out together. Hear me through this. So we have, say, 5 liters of just water, say black tea, and we're doing black tea today. So 5 liters of water and say 2 liters, not too much tea, 2 liters, excuse me, 2 liters of water, that we're adding 1 liter of 50% tea. 50% is 50 divided by 100, cut, 0.5. Keep in mind 0.05 is 5%, yeah. So 0.5 is 50%, 0.5 times 1. Okay. Zero 0.5 times 1. That's the amount of tea there and the milk there. So in mixture questions, what we are equating is the amount of, what can I say, active ingredient, in this case tea. Let's just consider it as milk, for water for a different case scenario. Because in the previous question, we had equated the amount of tea on either side. Now let's equate the amount of milk. Keep saying milk. I like tea with milk, but let's just do black tea now. So 2 liters of water. You have 2 liters of water plus a 50% solution of water. So 50% solution of water makes an 90% solution of water. Remember, we're doing water of 2 plus x. We don't know how much the x is. Cool, we figured this out. So it will be 2 plus 0.5x is equal to 0.9. That's 90%. 90 divided by 100, cut. 9 divided by 10, 0.9. So 0.9 times 2 plus 0.9x, 0.9 times 2 is 9 times 2, 18, with 1 decimal place there, and we have 1.8. Let me get this erased. There we go. 1.8, which we take to the other side, plus becomes minus, so 2 minus 1.8, 0.2 is equal to this, plus becomes minus because we're taking it to the other side of the equal to, 0.4x, which is equal to x divided by x is equal to 2. That's it. That's it. Just half a liter. Just 0.5 liters. So unless I made a mistake, what seems to have happened is 2 liters of water, 2 liters of water, so there's water, 2 liters, we add 0.5, that is 50% of half liter tea. Yeah, that makes sense. And we get a resulting solution that is 2.5 liters, 2.5 liters, 2.5 liters of 90% water. That means 10% tea. Keep in mind that we were equating the amount of water on either side, yeah? This 90% was the amount of water, so we get 2.5 liters of 10% tea. That's not strong enough for me. Yeah, good tea is on the cards, but I'm having coffee now. C'est la vie, yeah? Goodness, pleasantness, happy math.